Hey Weso Health family! Today we're diving into 7 incredible Jamaican herbs that every household should know. These plants aren't just tradition, they're natural wellness treasures. First up, Bissi, Cola Cuminata, the go-to remedy for food poisoning and detox. Jamaicans swear by Bissi tea to cleanse the stomach and fight toxins. Next, Vervine, Stachytarphyta jamaicensis, a calming herb for stress, insomnia, and fevers. Perfect for winding down after a long day. Cerasee, Mamordica carrantia, bitter but powerful. Famous for cleansing the blood, aiding digestion, and supporting healthy sugar levels. Dog blood, Ravina humilis, cherished for women's reproductive health, womb cleansing, and fertility support. Shame maca, Mimosa pudica, the shy plant whose leaves fold when touched. Used for womb health, calming nerves, and healing wounds. And finally, black jointer, a trusted remedy for joint pain, arthritis, and strengthening bones. A true ally for mobility and bone health. These 7 herbs are pillars of Jamaican folk medicine, blending tradition with natural healing. If you found this helpful, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Weso Health Tips for more quick, powerful insights into natural wellness. Let's keep our culture and health alive, one herb at a time.